Hi, my name is Ranjan Chopra and I founded Team Computers.
My name is Deepak. I'm an accountant by qualification and I've spent the past 30 years in the auto industry.
Like most of you, I'm also an engineer. I went to IIT Kanpur. This was back in '83, and I worked with a couple of large companies like Philips, then with Apple. I figured out that large corporate scene, was not my scene. The work was not challenging enough. Ended up starting a company, and the whole, the idea of founding the company was create a platform where people can do good stuff. They can do things which they want to do. And so over 26 years, we've played in the areas of IT infrastructure, applications, and the last 7 years or so in information management. I know that data analytics and big data and analytics is really hot right now. Everyone's talking about it. There's a lot of excitement about it. Well, we've been doing it for about 7 years. More than 300 customers across geographies, many of them in India, some in Asia, some in Europe, and some in the US.
For the past 6 years, I have been very deeply involved in data analytics for enterprise class customers. I have been working for companies like Maruti, Hindalco, Aditya Birla, Mahindra and Mahindra. And it's very fascinating to see what data does for enterprise class customers like these. Our work takes us very deep into the heart of these enterprise class customers. We work with very large quantum of data and solve some very challenging issues. For example, how do we impact the pricing of spare parts so that the price of repair to the customer is optimized and at the same time the profitability to the OE is also improved.
When we started, customers wanted a lot of reports from us. Then from reports, we moved to actionable dashboards from where people can drill down themselves, find out the real value and get actionable insights into their business. Now customers are asking us what next? How to turn these insights into profits, into growth.
I have done at a place in an auto industry. Customer, it was investing much more in their dealers. So like we have listed down some of the dealers. So if they concentrate on those dealers and they just stop them by giving them some finance, or if they just recover the finance which is given to them, they would have made near about 40 crores in a month. So that was a finding which customers find it very interesting, and they just went ahead with the analysis. Now they are doing in multiple departments and they are doing good.
I've been handling a lot of Fortune 500 customers in the US, like Bloomberg, California Casualty, Cisco, Symantec. In Bloomberg, been able to identify which are the kind of script that has been going up and down, and what are the potential scripts where their customers can take advantage and their customer can invest in.
The ability to handle large amounts of data and an empirical manipulation of the whole problem set. At a skill level, this requires a very deep understanding of mathematics, and we are looking for people who are very comfortable with dealing with advanced level mathematical solutions.
Our analytics consultants are interacting directly with the customers, and they get an opportunity to deliver these projects single-handedly. The proof lies in the 500 plus projects that we have successfully executed.
We work with banks, we work with insurance companies, with manufacturing companies. Customers are delighted. They've nominated us for awards. One shouldn't boast about it, but I think we are kind of gurus in this area.
The kind of exposure that these people get in Team Computers is immense. They get an opportunity to move from being a trainee to consultants, project managers, solution architects at a very rapid pace.
For a young engineer, we have an organization where you would get a lot of freedom to work, you would get guidance, you would actually work on live projects, not just some theoretical stuff. You would work with CEOs of companies, with CFOs and COOs of companies.
With more than 300 customers, 500 projects, and a large team of 150 plus consultants.
Anytime any support you require is available.
We assure you that the work that you will be doing will be on some of the largest and the most challenging issues on the planet, and it will be very rewarding as a career for you.
Well, we are a fun place to, so you work hard, we play hard, we run music bands, theatre, whatever you guys want to do.
We are looking for you.